Hi everyone, I'm excited to share this water saving and toilet refilling hack with all of you. After flushing this toilet at my workplace recently, it dawned on me that the strong ripples in the bowl as the tank refilled was water being wasted. After the bowl was full, water flowing into the overflow tube and down to the bowl was just flowing out the back of the toilet and down the drain. To demonstrate this, I marked the full water level with a pencil mark, held the float up, and flushed the toilet. After the flush, the bowl refilled in a matter of 3 seconds without any water refilling the tank. Any more water sent to the bowl would just be wasted down the drain. And here's the hack. Instead of sending water into the overflow tube, I repositioned the refill tube clip and reinstalled the tube so that the water flowed directly into the tank. And because the refill tube tip was below the top of the overflow tube, I replaced the old tube with this new refill tube and clip. I simply removed the old refill tube, installed the new clip onto the overflow tube, cut the tube to length, and pushed the tube onto the fill valve port. The water from the refill tube now flows directly into the tank with a proper air gap above the overflow tube. The amount of water being saved is this flow of water running for the length of the earlier tank refill, which was just over a minute. Now a before and after comparison. The bowls quickly filled with water in both scenarios, but the before flush on top had strong ripples from the refill tube water flowing into the bowl, and the after flush below has weaker ripples from the water between the tank and bowl draining into the bowl. At this point, the fill valve for the after flush below stopped 12 seconds earlier than the before flush above. So this hack saves water and refills the tank faster. Now, if your bowl doesn't fully refill, you can still save water by installing this water-saving refill tube. The indicator on the left is marked minus to plus, and the indicator on the right 0 to 8. Plus and 8 is full open, and minus and 0 is pinched fully closed. The roller pinches the tube to restrict the water flow. Moving the roller varies the water flow that will flow down the overflow tube and eventually to the bowl. To save water, adjust the water flow so that the maximum water level in the bowl and the maximum water level in the tank are reached at the same time. Here's another video that you might be interested in.